Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Terraria map glitch. If the map simply won't open, it may have been disabled in the settings. Go to the title screen, select settings, then general, and ensure map enabled is set to enable. This often cannot be changed while already inside the world. Config file fix. If the menu toggle doesn't work, navigate to documents/mygame/terraria, open config.json with the text editor and change map enabled false to map enabled true. Number 2. Fix black or reset map data. If your map is visible but appears entirely black, losing all exploration progress, your local map data may be corrupted or misplaced. In your Players folder, look for files ending in .map. Sometimes moving saves to the Steam cloud adds extra periods to these files. Rename them back to 12345.map to restore visibility. Restore from backup. Terraria creates automatic backups. Go to Documents, My Games, Terraria, Players/backups and copy the most recent .map files onto the main character folder. Multiplayer bump. Sometimes loading a single player world in multiplayer mode, exploring a small area, and then saving can bump the map back into properly saving progress. Number 3. Fix visual artifacts, black squares. If the map shows strange black boxes or textures, it is often a geographical rendering issue. Bit depth. Ensure your graphics card color intensity is set to 32-bit rather than 16-bit in your GPU control panel. Mod conflicts. If using Tmod launcher, certain mods like Terraria Overhaul can conflict with others like Calamity, causing map artifacts. Try disabling mods one by one to identify the cause. And finally, delete and re-explore as a last resort. If the map data is permanently corrupted and causing crashes or showing gibberish, you may need to reset it. Navigate to documents/mygame/terraria/player/your character name. Delete the files ending in .map, and the next time you enter the world, the map will be fresh and you can re-explore without the glitch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.